Dear students, in this problem, we are given two functions f of x is equal to x square and g of x is equal to sin x. And they are given to be defined for all x belonging to R. Then the set of all x satisfying f of g of f of x is equal to g of f of x, where f of g of x is in standard notation denotes f of g of x. Now we have to identify the values of x which satisfy this condition. F of x and g of x are given here. Let's see what we can do. F of g of f of x. This is the left hand side. That is, you find the composite of f with g and then itself, then again with f, that is left hand side. And on the right hand side, this is g of f of x. Now we have to find the values of x which satisfies this relation, this equation, from the set of x belonging to R, that is set of real numbers. Now this function f is x square. So left hand side is simply g of f of x whole squared. This is equal to g of f of x on the right hand side. So this is like t square is equal to t. So t can be either equal to 0 or it may be equal to 1. That means if this condition is being satisfied, then we should be having g of f of x equal to 0 or 1. This function g, this is sine function. That means we should be having sine of g of f of x equal to 0 or 1. Sine of g of f of x is equal to 0 or 1. That means g of f of x that is equal to 0 or some multiple of pi by 2 n pi. 0 is covered here also, but we are writing it separately just to keep the things clear. And now this g function, that is sine. So sine of f of x, we should be having it equal to 0 or some multiple of pi, that is minus pi, plus pi, minus 2 pi, plus 2 pi. But obviously sine of anything cannot be equal to minus pi, plus pi or 2 pi or any other multiple of pi other than 0. So these all possibilities are simply ruled out. Sine of f of x cannot be equal to these quantities. So only possibility is sine of f of x that can be equal to 0. And f of x is simply x square and sine of f of x is equal to 0. That means f of x should be equal to n pi. That is possible because f of x is equal to x square. So x square is equal to n pi. That means x is equal to plus or minus root of n pi, and we need to keep n positive. So if you look at the options, then the options A and B are almost same except for 0 is included over here and it is not included here. 0 should be included as x can be equal to 0. That will also satisfy this condition. So we should mark A as our correct answer and option B, C and D are obviously incorrect. Let's confirm the answer. That is okay. First option is the correct one. Thank you.